Hi everyone, Alexis here with Imperium Dynamics. Today let's talk about Power BI, which is Microsoft's game-changing business intelligence tool. Power BI takes your data, any data, and transforms it into stunning visual stories. Forget rows and columns, imagine interactive dashboards that bring your business to life. Track sales, trends, monitor customer behaviors, and uncover hidden patterns in real time, all at your fingertips. Let's say you're a retail chain. Power BI can show you which products are flying off the shelves, where your marketing dollars are landing, and even predict future demands. Imagine optimizing inventory, tailoring promotions, and boosting customer satisfaction based on your data, visualize, and actionable. Power BI isn't just for big businesses. Even small teams can leverage its power. Track leads, analyze social media engagement, measure campaign performances. The possibilities are endless. And thanks to its intuitive interface, anyone can become a data wizard. No coding required. At Imperium Dynamics, we're passionate about empowering businesses with Power BI. We offer expert training, custom dashboard design, and ongoing support to ensure you get the most out of this incredible tool. Are you ready to unlock the power of your data? Visit our website or contact us today for a free Power BI consultation. Let's turn your numbers into insights that drive real business results. Remember, data is power, and Power BI is the key to unlocking it.